graduate to the podium, Sir Vito Don Richmond B. No.
Nilululo ka dyan.
To our beloved school president, Apostle Jonathan S. Ferion. Our supportive school directress, Dr. Leticia S. Ferion. Our cluster supervisor, Presbyter Maria Victoria Alano. Honorable guest, Attorney Benjamin Sito. To our school administrator, Presbyter Paula A. Harata. Spiritual advisor, Pastor Roy Harata. Our deputy head, Ma'am Ellie Arrogante. Our guests, teachers, parents, and fellow completers, good afternoon. Standing here today as your valedictorian is both a privilege and humbling experience. If there is one thing that I've learned in this journey, it is this. This honor is not mine alone. This is God's faithfulness in my life. There were moments when I felt hard, when lessons were hard, and when I doubted myself. But in those quiet moments, I prayed, and God answered. He gave me strength when I was weak, peace when I was anxious, and courage to keep going. Truly, without Him, I am nothing. To Maranatha Christian Academy of San Jose, Bulacan, Incorporated, our dear school, thank you for more than 6 years of molding us, for shaping our character, and for caring for us like your own children. Within your walls, we did not gain only knowledge, but we were also taught to love God, to walk in faith, and to live with purpose. This school has been our second home, and we will always carry its values in our hearts. To our dear teachers, our class advisor, Teacher Leonard Sarsha, Teacher Maria Rowena Sarunyo, Teacher Justin Juray Rigidor, Teacher Anjanette Villaflores, Teacher Gina Salvosa, and Teacher Kimberly Palalos. Thank you for being instruments of God for guiding us. Your patience, dedication, and love shape not only our minds, but also our character. You taught us to dream, to persevere, and most importantly, to trust in God. To our beloved parents, thank you for your sacrifices, your prayers, and your never-ending support. You are the reason we are here today. And to my dearest Mommy Irish Baral and Daddy Don Servito, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you for your unconditional love, for waking up early, for your hard work, and for always putting our needs before yours. Thank you for teaching me to pray, to trust God, and to never give up. Every achievement I receive is because of your love and guidance. This moment, this honor, I offer it to you. I love you so much. D, we did it. I achieved our goal. It's sad that you couldn't come home because of the war in the Middle East. But it's okay. I know even though you are not physically here, I always feel your presence, because you are always in my heart. Thank you for your love, support, and for your sacrifices. I hope next time God will allow you to come to my next graduation. I love you so much, Daddy. Always be careful out there, and we are always waiting for you to come home. To my grandfather, Tatay Odon Solvito, and Tatay Dudos Baral, thank you so much for your love, support, and for attending my graduation today. Thank you for being always proud of me. I love you so much, my tatay. To my fellow graduates, classmates, friends, best friends, sisters, and brothers, especially to Jim, Matthew, Kirsten, Prince, Sky, Kyla, and Ayus, we may have different stories, but we shared one journey. We cried, we laughed, we learned, and we grew together. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you for making my school life moments unforgettable. I treasure our memories and moments together. You are the best part of my life. As we move forward, let us carry not only our dreams, but also our faith. Let us remain humble in success and strong in trials. Let's stay in touch and make new memories. Above all, I give back all the glory to our Lord Jesus Christ, the author of our success and the source of our strength. As it says in Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. As we step into a new chapter, may we continue to walk with God. Let us choose what is right, even when it is hard. Let us shine as lights wherever we go, bringing honor to His name. This is not just an ending. It is the beginning of God's greater plan for us. Congratulations, class of 2026. May we continue to live by faith, walk in love, and serve the Lord in all that we do. To God be all the glory.